is raining and we are rushing to get our train to Hakone.
This is the last boat.
Yeah.
Strong winds have canceled all boats.
They said this is the last boat of the day. We are drenched.
Tried to get in with strong winds.
Suspended.
They said yes, and he said no.
It's supposed to be rainy, but we're gonna manifest that it's not too bad. The sandal.
Disaster.
Wait.
Oh, his pants are dirty.
Finally made it.
Since 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
This place is bigger than our house.
That's nice. I'm
Jeez.
ready for that. Wow, that's sick.
Here's some sparkling wine.
Cheers.
Cheers. We are ready for dinner.
First course. Ellen's eating everything.
We just finished our meal. Muy delicioso.
Really good. Ellen's tired now.
I'm so tired. But yeah, now we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night.
Good morning. It's Sunday at our beautiful ryokan. Look at that view. Look at that. Look at that. 8:40, and we're gonna have breakfast at 9. So really excited for that. And then gonna explore the Hakone Loop.
Going to Kyoto tonight.
Yeah, more travel, more transit, but going to a nice hotel, so that should be fun.
Our first veggies of the trip. These are still damp. Our dry milk.
Smells bad. Hello, this is room 605. We are ready to check out.
Some of the activities are suspended today due to heavy fog. See if we can make it on the river. We barely made it on. Heavy fog. No, you crack it. It's a hard boiled egg.
I'm gonna crack it.
It tastes like a normal egg.
It does, but it's a black egg.
Can you put mustard on it? Complete white out. We made it to civilization. And now we're trying to catch a bus back to Tracy. Full of train.